Hi everyone, my name is Jasneet and this is my post 4 discussion video. Plagiarism and oral citations. Plagiarism is the act of using someone else's words, ideas, or work without giving them proper credit. In academic speaking, plagiarism is considered a serious ethical violation because it misleads the audience and presents borrowed information as if it were your own. When we give a speech, it's important to orally cite our sources so listeners know exactly where our information came from. Clear oral citations help establish credibility, show respect for the original author, and allow the audience to trust that the information is accurate. They also demonstrate academic honesty, which is a major part of ethical public speaking and responsible communication. By citing sources out loud, such as mentioning the author, the publication, or the year, we avoid plagiarism and strengthen the overall quality of our message. This connects directly to strong ethical speaking practices. 2 guidelines for an effective conclusion. My textbook highlights several guidelines for creating an effective conclusion, but 2 of them stood out to me the most. The first guideline is to signal clearly that the speech is ending. This helps the audience shift their attention toward your final message. Phrases like in conclusion, to summarize, or as we wrap up lets listeners know that you're transitioning into the closing section of your speech. The second guideline is to leave the audience with a memorable final thought. A strong conclusion should reinforce your main idea and give the audience something meaningful to take away. This could be a powerful closing statement, a call to action, or a quote that ties your message together. A good conclusion doesn't introduce new information. Instead, it wraps up the speech in a way that feels complete, organized, and purposeful. These strategies help ensure your ending is strong and aligned with effective speech structure. Organizational pattern for my informative speech. For my informative speech, I am planning to use the topical organizational pattern. This pattern divides a large subject into smaller, logical categories, allowing the speaker to explain different aspects of the topic clearly and separately. I think that this pattern will work best for my topic because it gives me flexibility to organize my ideas in a way that makes sense to the audience. Instead of following a strict timeline or a step by step process, I can break up my topic into 3 or 4 most important points and explain each one thoroughly. The topical pattern is especially useful when a subject has multiple components that are equally important. It helps keep the speech organized, easy to follow, and well supported with information. Using this structure will allow me to present my ideas clearly and maintain a smooth flow throughout the speech. It aligns well with strong informative speech organization and will help me deliver my message effectively. Thank you for listening to my post 4